2-week trajectory, covering how the numbers work, what you see step by step. The backend simulates 3 training scenarios for the next 14 days. Maintain assumes you keep training at the same level. A card with 3 columns side by side: maintain, push, and ease off. Each column shows a projected finish time for 2 weeks from now. PIRX tries 2 methods to predict your trajectory. The primary method uses dynamic time warping, DTW. It divides your training history into 14-day blocks, creates a fingerprint for each block: distance, duration, pace, heart rate. Z normalizes the values and finds the 3 most similar historical blocks using DTW distance. Strava tells you what you did. Garmin shows your data. PIRX tells you why it happened and what's next. Read the full guide at pirx.ca/docs and start your 14-day free trial today.